Hi, I'm Marie Kimball, Certified Exercise Physiologist with Singing River Health System. Today I have a 10-minute chair cardio workout for you. For this video, all you'll need is a bottle of water to stay hydrated, proper shoe wear, as well as paper plates for movement on the floor. With this video, please go at your own pace, but also challenge yourself, but know your own body. Use the RPE scale, which is the rate of perceived exertion, how hard you should work. We want to at about 11 to 13, so fairly light to somewhat hard, but make sure that you're still able to hold a conversation while you're working out. Push yourself, looking at a moderate intensity, but also listen to your body. If you start feeling bad or having any symptoms, please stop exercising. Some of these symptoms may be pressure or pain in the chest, shoulder, jaw, throat region, shortness of breath, dizziness, nausea. Please stop exercising, consult your physicians. All right, you got your paper plates, maybe add some music, and let's start going. We're just going to start off with marching, just nice and light on your feet. And we're going to start bringing our arms out, up in about 10 seconds. So nice and light on your feet, just marching. All right, going to bring those arms up. And as up, just make sure you're going at your own pace. All right, and now we're going to bring those arms out. And then we'll bring them front. Come to the front with those arms. And after this one, we're going to combine all three. We'll go up, out, and front. All right, so up, out, and front. So up, out, and front. All right, and now just back to your nice little march. All right, next one, we're going to take those legs out, so we're going to side step. So out, out, just right out on the side. And then we'll add some punches to it in just about 10 seconds. So punch, 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 right out to the side. Whenever you need to take a break, that's fine, and just pick up whenever you're ready. All right, back to marching. Next thing that we'll do is just some heel taps. And make sure you're breathing, so tap, tap. So tap those heels. So just go at your own pace. All right, back to marching. And then next thing that we'll do is just do some kicks. We're going to kick our legs up, bend those knees straight. So kick. So kick those legs. Back to marching. Next one is going to be kicks with punches. So opposite arm with the leg. So kick and punch. Kick and punch. All right, the next one's a little bit more challenging. We're going to put those legs out, 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 in, out, out, in, out, out, in, out, out, in. Make sure you're breathing throughout it. If you need to stop and take a break and grab some water, that's fine. So out, out, in. All right, back to marching. Next one, we're going to go up, forward with your legs, and then back with your legs. So it'll be up, up, back, back. So up, up, back, back, up, back, back, up, back, back, up, back, back. Keep going. You're doing great. Next one is this calf raises, so we're just lifting our toes. After this, we'll give some break with our legs and just use our arms, okay? So you're doing great. All right, so arms are out. Just gonna reach side to side. Give those legs a break. After this, we're gonna punch across your body. All right, so punch across. Again, go at your own pace. If you need to slow down, you're gonna stop and take a break, grab some water, and then get back into it whenever you're ready. All right, and after punching across, we're gonna punch forward. So punch forward. You're doing great. Rest those legs and just use your arms. And after this, we're just gonna keep those punches close, and like if we're punching a punching bag. So just punch that punching bag. All right, and then the next one, we're just gonna bring those elbows back and punch back with their elbows. And then after this, we're about to start using our paper plates, so make sure they're handy. All right, we're gonna bring those arms down and just punch down to the ground. And after this, we'll start using our legs again, give our arms a little break, and we'll go back to our marching. So march, and get those paper plates ready for our feet. We're going to go into some jumping jacks after this. So get those plates ready, and just go out with those legs and up with your arms. You're doing great. And if you need to, you can bring those arms low and do it. All right, we're gonna go back to marching again. So a nice light march. And the next one that we'll do is some skiing with our plates. So get those plates ready again, and you're just gonna ski. You're gonna push back with one leg or the other. All right, back to marching again. Next one, we're gonna go to the swimming pool. We're gonna do some swimming. We're gonna do some breaststroke. Get those plates ready. We're gonna go to the swimming pool. So it's round those arms out, make big circles with our feet. So we're swimming in the swimming pool now. Again, if you need to take a break, that's fine, okay? And we're gonna go back to marching. We're gonna stay in that swimming pool again. We're just gonna do some freestyle swimming. So get those plates ready. We're just gonna swim right forward, bring those arms right in front of us, and we're gonna kick our legs out. All right, back to marching. We're almost done. Last thing we're gonna do is go roller skating. All right, almost done. So just crisscross those legs. We're gonna go in skating. All right, back to marching. 10 seconds and we're all done. All right, great job, guys. You're all done. Now, what you can do is either cool down, follow our flexibility workout, or if you need to get that 30 minutes in, continue with this exercise and repeating it. So what we're looking at is trying to get 150 minutes of exercise per week. So that's about 30 minutes of exercise most all days of the week. You can split up this workout, do one in the morning, one in the afternoon, whatever you like. But just keep moving and stay active. All right, why don't we get started with just a little marching, okay? So just march in place. And then we're going to incorporate our arms in just a little bit. So just march in place. And remember, if you ever need to take a break, go ahead and stop and just pick up whenever you're ready. All right, so bring those arms up and just stretch out those arms. Then just keep on marching. All right, we're going to bring those arms out to the side. All right, and then we're going to bring those arms to the front. And then after this, we're going to combine all of them and we'll go up, out, and front. So up, out, and front. So up, out, and front. All right, and then we'll just go back to our marching. All right, so then we're going to take those legs out to the side, okay? So we'll start with our right leg. So out, out. So we're just stepping to the side. In just a second, we'll add some punches to this. So when we step out, we'll punch. So step out, punch. Step out, and punch. All right, go back to our march, okay? Next thing that we'll do is just some heel taps. And remember, take this at your own pace. So tap those heels. So at your own pace, if you need to slow down a little bit, that's fine. So click those heels to the ground. All right, back to marching. All right, and after this, we're going to do a little kick. So just kick those legs. In about 10 seconds, we'll add a little punch to these kicks. All right, so punch out across your body with your opposite arm. All right, back to marching. Next one's going to be a little bit trickier. We're going to go out with both legs and then in. So out, out, in, out, out, in, out, out, in, out, out, in, out, out, in. There you go. Just keep going. All right, back to marching. Next one, we're going to step forward 2 and then back 2. So forward and back, forward and back, forward and back. There you go. Again, if you need to stop, take a break, grab some water, that's fine. Just go at your own pace. All right, back to marching in place. And don't worry, we're going to stop with our legs in just a second and give them a break. We're going to go to calf raises real quick. So just lift right on your toes. And after this, we'll give our legs a little break and we'll go into some arm exercises. All right, so reach out to the side, to the side. Make sure you're breathing throughout these exercises. So try to breathe through your nose and out with your mouth. All right, we're going to punch across our body. And you don't have to march anymore. Give those legs a good little break. All right, and punch forward. All right, and after this, we'll do some little punches right into like a punching bag. So little punches. You're doing great. We're almost done. All right, bring those arms down. Just punch straight down to the ground. All right, after this, we're going to put our legs back to it and we're going to start marching again. All right, and march again. This little part's going to be a little bit more difficult, so take your time at it. We're going to do some jumping jacks, some modified jumping jacks next, where you'll step out to the side and clap those hands over your head. So step out, clap, step out, clap. Again, go at your own pace. If you got to slow it down a little bit, that's fine, okay? Alright, back to our march again. The next one's a little bit more fun. It's like going downhill skiing a little bit. So we're going to kind of lunge forward or lunge back. Alright, so lunge back. Try to keep that in front knee not to go over your toe, so just gonna step back. All right, back to marching. Next one, we're gonna do a little swimming. We're gonna have our breaststroke arms, and again, kind of step out with your legs. So step out and swim. Big circle with our arms and step out to the side. Back to marching. Next one is just a little freestyle swim. We're going to have our arms right in front of us. We're going to be up on our toes a little bit. And we're almost done with this workout. Alright, so swim. Just going to pick up our heels and bring those arms right out in front of us. All right, back to marching. And our last exercise is just going to be a skater, so we look like we're going skating. So we'll kick out to the side and pick up our legs. All right, so skate. All right, back to marching. 10 seconds and we'll be all done for the day. Great job. You're finished with this workout. Remember, we're trying to get at least 150 minutes per week of exercise. So that's about 30 minutes a day, almost every day of the week. So maybe start this video over, do it again a few more times, or try out some of the other videos that we have. We have our chair cardio, we have strength, as well as maybe you're finishing up with the day. We need to do a little cool down. So go watch the flexibility, do some cool down stretches. Take care.